Hey guys, to celebrate the birthday of our esteemed founder and CEO, 𝙁𝙊𝙋𝙋 Morrocco, this month, I'm beyond thrilled to dive into this video and unveil the captivating history of Morrocco method. Discover what makes our company truly exceptional, boasting over 50 years of excellence in crafting the healthiest and most natural hair care products worldwide. It all started back in New York in the 1960s when Anthony was finishing up hairdressing school. He got the opportunity of a lifetime to become an apprentice at Kenneth's salon. This salon was without a doubt the most famous hair salon in the world. Its clients included 𝙃𝙀𝙍𝙎, Lauren Bacall, Marilyn Monroe, Nancy Sinatra, Mia Farrow, Audrey Hepburn, Lucille Ball, and more. Most hairdressers would kill to have one of these clients, and Mr. Kenneth had them all. And it wasn't just famous actresses and singers, there was also the uber-rich clientele like Happy Rockefeller, Mrs. Paul Mellon, and Jackie Kennedy Onassis. Anthony worked here for a number of years and quickly moved up to become one of the top hair colorists. He also began to learn how to make shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. Rita, an extraordinary botanist and naturalist who also worked at Kenneth's, made hair care products for individual clients. She began to teach Anthony basic foundational botanist chemistry to make his own shampoos and conditioners. Around the same time, the genesis of the lunar hair calendar originated from encounters with 3 Brazilian women who frequented Kenneth's salon for haircuts. They shared insights from South American traditions where haircuts were aligned with lunar cycles spanning thousands of years. Fascinated by this concept, Anthony integrated lunar phases into his hairdressing techniques, enabling him to tailor treatments based on monthly lunar influences such as lengthening, strengthening, thickening, root work, or beautification. Over time, he began to notice that the toxic hair dyes and styling products they used were causing damage to clients' hair. The hair would not be as shiny, losing its luster along with breakage. Also, the fumes were really strong, and Anthony began to worry about his own health being around and breathing all these toxic chemicals. He started going to the library and doing research and talking to other hairdressers about his concerns. He came to the realization that it was really dangerous, unhealthy, and toxic to continue working with these harmful products. He decided to walk out of his extremely lucrative career, and at this point, Anthony was one of the top 5 hair colorists in the world. But his health and those of his clients were more important to him. He decided to go to Europe to learn more about hair care and how he could create all-natural hair care products. Upon departing from Kenneth's for Europe, Anthony furthered his study by collaborating with botanists across Italy, England, and France. Among his pursuits, Anthony developed a keen interest in studying hair colors and shampoos. As Anthony delved deeper into spiritual studies, he discerned a recurring pattern of 5 within the universe: 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 senses, and the 5 elements. This realization led him to propose the idea of simplifying hair care to 5 shampoos and 5 conditioners. Anthony's journey continued in Paris, where he collaborated with several other botanists, enriching his understanding of botanical chemistry. However, it was in England where he had his breakthrough moment. He realized that he was formulating 5 distinct types of shampoos, each representing the elements: earth, air, fire, water, and ether. This discovery prompted him to also develop 5 corresponding conditioners, aligning with his commitment to individualized care and addressing concerns such as hair loss and restoration. Anthony's journey into product development continued with him sourcing ingredients, formulating concoctions in his apartment, and experimenting with friends and neighbors, much to the delight of the ladies in his building who eagerly embraced his creations. Upon returning to America and settling in Boston, Anthony immersed himself in the creation of shampoos and conditioners, handcrafting formulations. In 1979, he relocated to Laguna Beach, where he established a salon in his home's downstairs area and transformed the backyard into a tranquil meditation garden for his clients. Word of his exceptional treatment spread, particularly after an influential client from Los Angeles, impressed by his services, shared his story among her social circle, leading to a feature in People magazine. Anthony's clientele expanded rapidly, drawing visitors from across the United States and even overseas. Recognizing the growing demand for his products, Anthony looked for a trustworthy manufacturer. After exploring various options in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego, he identified a manufacturer who aligned with his ethos of natural ingredients. This partnership enabled him to scale up production and distribute his products not only to his clientele, but also to health food stores. Today, Morocco Method boasts its own factory in the USA, sourcing ingredients from around the globe while prioritizing the most natural elements provided by Mother Nature. Anthony's commitment to natural ingredients is unwavering. From the outset in the 60s, he pledged to use only botanical and marine-based ingredients, avoiding laboratory-made substances. He emphasizes the importance of wild-crafted ingredients sourced directly from their natural habitats by indigenous communities worldwide, ensuring purity and authenticity. Morocco Method remains dedicated to maintaining its statue as the epitome of natural hair care, with a steadfast commitment to education on ingredient transparency and holistic wellness. For Anthony, the mission extends beyond business. It's a lifelong dedication to empowering individuals to make informed choices about their health and well-being. He invites everyone to explore the educational resources available on the Morocco Method website, emphasizing the importance of understanding every ingredient applied to the body. As he embarks on this journey, Anthony's vision is clear: to foster a community of individuals who prioritize health, happiness, and strength through natural living.